What's up, boys and girls? Leaf here back with another update, and today we got sculpts and just some other stuff to talk about. So yeah. So first of all, I finished up Maki's sculpt. I think it turned out really nice texture and all. And I think that's like the biggest one out of all the Love Live ones. It's pretty much the widest of the bunch, and just really textured compared to the rest of them. Then after that, I moved on to making Nozomis, and that was quite the project. I had to use some wire for the twin tails, and as you can see, this turned out a little bit too big compared to the left side. Just the left side in general turned out a little bit small compared to the right side. Doesn't really bother me proportion-wise like that, but yeah. Other than that, I like how this turned out. I'm very happy with it. As I said, it was quite the project. And while I was halfway on that, then I started working on Nico's. And I think it turned out just as good as everyone else. Really like how that one turned out, with the bangs and all. And then the last one I did was Ellie. So overall, I'm really happy with these sculpts. Unfortunately, I can't make the figures right now. I don't have the pieces to make all of them. And I don't know if I want to get a bundle of all those pieces and make them at the same time. I think that would be the best thing to do. Just hold off on touching them. That's what I think, but I don't know. I might actually resculpt a whole lot of my old figures. Just because. And also I did a new Eggman head. This one fully sculpted in colors, instead of sculpted in white and then painted. And I kind of like the new one a little bit better. It might be a little bit bigger. I think I've made everything a little bit bigger. And it's not as tight. And the neck is actually thicker. And I just think it looks way better, to be honest. And I also wanted to test my sculpting skills, pretty much. How it would look if I sculpted it with the colors already. So I'm happy with the result. And then on Garrison from Battle Chases right here, I resculpted his hair. Then I resculpted the scarf and removed his shoulder pads and made them in paper instead. Just because I wasn't happy with how it was earlier. So that's just a couple of the things I've resculpted recently. And I also did a new sculpt for All Might. Might actually redo it one more time. I'm not too sure. There's something that doesn't seem right with this one, but I don't know. I'm gonna resculpt Cloud and probably just do a whole new paint job and everything. Maybe not on the legs, because I don't think there's much you can actually do with them, and I think they're pretty clean looking. But I don't know. I might actually end up redoing everything. Gonna trash his old sword, stuff like that. And I also resculpted my Nightmare's arm, and the figure itself's coming along pretty well right now. But setting that aside, I recently made an account on minds.com. Link is down below in the description. I will be posting updates and work in progress stuff right there. And you can actually create groups and stuff in that. So I'm thinking of making a LEGO Custom community group right there if anyone is interested. I haven't done it yet, but I'm thinking about it. So if you're a customizer and just want to, post stuff, get feedback and stuff like that, asking for advice, whatever, please comment down below and tell me if you're interested in that kind of thing. Because that's something that I've been thinking of for a while, actually. I don't like Flickr, I don't use Facebook, and I don't like Instagram that much. This one seems more organized and stuff like that, so I think it's a pretty good site, actually. I would kind of say it's a mix of YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I think that's the best way to put it. At least that's what I think. I don't know. Anyway, you can find me there. I'm going to start uploading pictures of all the upcoming customs and stuff like that. So you can see them. If you're not interested in watching the video, then you just have that still image that you can look at and observe if you're looking for details or whatever. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. I have pretty much 20 customs on the way. I probably have 5 that I'm about to finish up. I finished up one today. That's something I've been working on as a side project. Recently finished up. I'm going to shoot the video soon. Have it up this week, probably. I'm not too sure, but we'll see. Then we got Bond. Might actually get him done. And then we got Nightmare. So, that's 3 customs right there. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Go check that out if you're interested, as I said. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.
Bye.